Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily share your location on WhatsApp. Now, whether you're meeting up with your friends or in need to let someone know where you are, I'll show you how exactly to do this. Now let's get started. Now the first thing is to open your WhatsApp and go to the chat of the person you would like to share your location with. Now the next step is to tap on the attach icon. Is a little paper clip icon at the bottom of your chat on your screen. Now you will see the option location. You want to tap on it, and then you're going to be seeing two options. Now you can either share your live location, which updates your location in real time for like a period of time like 15 minutes, an hour or thereabout, or you can actually send your current location, which we send your location as it is right now. Pick whatever option works for you, and once you tap on it, your location will be sent. So let me just tap on share live location. As you can see, you are able to choose the minutes that you want, and then I will just share it. Super simple, right? Now if this tutorial was helpful to you, you want to like, comment, subscribe for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.